how to fix your broken Porsche shift knob for less than $5 and 5 minutes. So obviously we know the cap here pops off. You can put it back into place like this, but eventually it'll just, as you're driving. Oh, it feels great. Oh, oh shit. Okay, we're off to a bad start. It will crank off again. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it semi-permanently. And by that I mean, it'll stay on there, but when the day you wanna pop it off, you can do that as well. And it's not like epoxied in place in case you have to like modify your boot, shifter, etc. So let's get started. Okay, this is called RTV, also known as gasket maker. Stands for room temperature vulcanization. So what's gonna do, we're gonna create a gasket essentially, which is like a semi-permanent glue or epoxy. We're gonna put it right here and a couple little bit down in this crevasse here. Just a couple little dots. And we're gonna put it in the car, clip it in, let it cure. And after a day, it'll seal up. If you have to really get it off, it'll just, if you apply enough force, it'll pop out. If you need some of this will be linked in the video description. It's like $5 on Amazon. On your screen right now, so let's get started. First thing I want you to do is take some isopropyl alcohol and just pretty much degrease the shift knob here. Just want to get any oils that have been off so that when this goes to seal and bond, it has a clean surface to do it on. Now let's go and open this packet. Done. Okay, we're gonna go pop this off. We are going to go punch the lid. Now we can squeeze some out just like that. I'm gonna get a toothpick or a Q-tip and apply it specifically with more accuracy rather than tube this onto the shifter itself. Take a Q-tip and just cut the tip off just like that with a little stick. All right, let's take a little bit of black RTV. I'm just gonna put it right in this slot right here. Give it a little more. Watch your suede. Gonna roll it in there. Now I'm gonna get a little bit more right here. I'm gonna come down a tiny bit on this hinge joint, okay? I'll even put a tiny bit right here on this little nub. Okay, we'll set that down. Let's turn this. Make sure we have good coverage, not too much. Push down, there's no squeeze out of that. Taking some blue tape, I'm gonna go do one on the pan so it's not too sticky. Now we're just gonna go wrap the shifter. This customer is driving this car home, so we just want to keep this in place semi-permanently. And the client will be very careful removing this blue tape off the shifter. All right, guys, that's it. This will fix your shifter. This is non-permanent. So if you really need to take this off, you can just get a pry tool in there and yank it back. This is pretty much, again, this is gasket maker used on your oil pans, which as you know is a temporary seal. So this is a temporary thing in case you have to break the seal. All right, it's helped you out. Leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing. And we'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. If you want a nice black 100% cotton t-shirt in either black or white, you can head over to my clothing store, link below. It's through a company called Fourth Wall. To be honest, I'm only selling things I don't want to wear myself, which include just plain black and white t-shirts, which you can see right here. If you want to be a really OG Gangsta supporter, you can get some Das Cayman Swagoo. Alternatively, if you want to support the channel with my Patreon, we love that as well. Entry tier gets your name advertised and a press support shout out in each video. And other tiers even go up to private one-on-one phone calls giving advice related to either cars, life, or advancing your career. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.